Maddox, are you dancing? We're at the zoo today, aren't we?
I know who won, but is it good?
Whoa. You're silly. Oh, you better leave that on, Maddox. Pick it up. Go get it.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Mama, get it.
Yummy!
I'm gonna go on the train?
I know, I'm scared.
Oh, you're dancing. Fun. You love to dance. Woo! What do you see? Oh, you see cars?
The guy who actually contracted to go first, but he was in Manhattan. I met him when I was in the UK. He's from Manchester.
Yay, Maddox. Bye-bye.